Hi there, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a brand new trade that we just got in. This is a 2019 Cobalt CS23. So 23-foot boat. Pretty standard here with the white and the nice blue stripe along the side. It does come with the dual axle trailer as well. When we come to the back, we've got a nice swim platform area to hang out on. You've got this piece right here that will pop open and fold down all the way into the water. And then you can sit up here, there's a place to sit up there, and then there is a place up there with a backrest. But let's go to the interior and take a look and see what else we got. All right, welcome to the interior of the boat. I want to show you the back here real quick. Like I said, they got a really nice backrest here, so if everybody's hanging out and swimming, it's a nice place to be. This obviously can be pulled down, and now you got a big lounge all the way through. Got some storage on that side over there. And then we got a nice true walkthrough. As you can see on the floor too, it does have the snap in, snap out woven, so really easy to clean, and it does hide the dirt and different things in the boat as well. So we got nice wraparound seating. There's storage under that seat, some storage there. You got a backrest here that'll move forward and back depending on what you're doing. And then underneath here, you do have a built-in cooler with a drain. So that's kind of nice to have. At the helm here, we got a nice helm seat with a bolster. You've got all your gauges, everything in here that you need. This is a Rockford Fosgate stereo system with 6 speakers in it. We have some controls over here for some internal lighting, your dock lighting, different things like that as well. It has 96 hours on it, so not a lot of hours. Still a great boat, pretty much new. You've got storage underneath both of these as you lift those up. Got storage underneath the seats, there's cup holders, and you've got an anchor locker in the front as well. So again, 23-foot boat. This is a 2019 with 96 hours. Beautiful boat here in our Rogers location, so if you want to take a look at it, you can either just stop on by or give us a call and set up an appointment. Look forward to seeing you out here.